was a tingly spring morning on the island of Sodor. Thomas was excited. The Fat Controller had sent him to collect a special from Jenny Packard. "Spot on, Thomas," Miss Jenny said. "You'd make a mother proud." "Thanks, Miss Jenny," he said. "Is this my special?" "Very special," she answered. "I'm Jack, the front loader," he whirred proudly. "I can load and unload and carry lots of things." "I can haul and shunt," boasted Thomas. "And I can get you two chatterboxes off to the quarry," laughed Miss Jenny. "Is this your first job at the quarry?" called Thomas. "It's my first job on the island," Jack called back. "Look out for Max," Thomas added. "He's trouble." Soon, Thomas delivered Jack to the quarry. All the machines were busy preparing the site for new railway tracks. Jack couldn't wait to join in. He scooted towards a big excavator. "I'm Jack, can I help?" "Oh my, no," Oliver replied kindly. "Help Byron." Byron the bulldozer was shoving rock and rubble with his giant blade. "I'm Jack, can I help?" "I don't need help," boomed Byron. "Try Kelly the crane." "I'm Jack," he whirred cheerfully. "Mind my paint," snapped the lorry. "Isabella," scolded Kelly. "Sorry, welcome to the pack." "And if you want to work," said Kelly. "See the foreman," Isabella said cheekily. "He's in charge." The foreman introduced Jack to his banksman. "I'm here to help you work safely," said the banksman. "No speeding and no horseplay," added the foreman. "Now go and help Alfie." "Yes, sir," replied Jack eagerly, and he raced off. "Remember," called the banksman, "safety first." Alfie is an excavator. He makes the hardest job seem like play. "I'm Jack. I'm here to help." More help means more dirt. More dirt means more fun. "I'm Alfie." Jack and Alfie were working hard and having wonderful fun. Suddenly, a huge dump truck roared by. "Max!" Alfie cried. "So that's Max," said Jack. "Thomas was right. He is trouble." "Look out, Jack!" cried Alfie. Max stopped just in time. Jack refused to move. "Stop bullying," said Jack bravely. "Can't you take a joke?" Max grumbled and dieseled away. "Thank you, Jack," said Alfie. Then the foreman shouted, "Oliver, move this rock." "I'll do it," cried Jack. Jack scooped a bucket full of rock. "Stop!" shouted his banksman. But he didn't stop. He was too eager to help. "No!" shouted Isabella. But it was too late. "Oh no!" he cried. "Oops," Jack sputtered. Miss Jenny was glad Jack wasn't hurt, but she was disappointed. "Safety first," she said firmly. "Means you don't rush in where you don't belong." "I'm sorry, Miss Jenny," Jack said sadly. "Maybe you're not ready for the pack," sighed Miss Jenny. "We'll see if you can do better tomorrow." After Miss Jenny returned to the yards, Jack was sad. Isabella could see he was unhappy. "You're a good front loader," she said. "And a good friend," said Alfie. "Being a good friend is important," said Thomas. That made Jack feel just a bit better.